Hello everyone. If you're seeing an error that charging is not available, then this video is for you. In this video, I will tell you why this happens and how to fix this issue. Now, why this happens is that your iPhone has detected some moisture and your charging jack, being on the most outer side, has become a little wet. This happens when there is too much humidity in the air, and usually it happens in the winter season. Now, don't worry, don't panic. I will tell you some steps to fix it. Fix number one: use a hairdryer and blow some hair into the charging port. Make sure you don't heat the port too much. And also check that iPhone cable is dry. Also, if you do not have a hairdryer, then you may use a room heater. Or it's better to leave the iPhone aside for a few hours and let it dry naturally. Fix number two: press the power button for 10 seconds and let the iPhone restart by itself. It's also called force restart. Point number three: use authentic Apple adapter and authentic cable. It's less likely you will see this error again. Point number four: you can use a MagSafe charger and charge your phone wirelessly. Last but not least, click on emergency override and charge your phone. If you have any doubts, let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.